It's been 3 months since my hip surgery. I'm feeling great and just very thankful that this technology exists, that the medical team exists, that I'm living in a time where it's just a slight inconvenience.
Michael is a husband, father, and grandfather of 11. He is active and loves to travel, play pickleball, and snow and water ski. One day, he was playing with the grandkids when he hurt his hip.
I was playing soccer with the grandkids, so I felt a little something go in my hip, and I've been very lucky that I have the kind of body that seems to heal itself over time. If I have an ache or a pain, I kind of let it go. But this one was not going away. So I did make an appointment at Trinity Health. I kind of thought I would maybe get a shot or some meds. And it was pretty cool because you get x-rays taken right there, developed right there, read right there. So 30 minutes later, he comes in and he says, "It's looking like you're going to need a hip replacement." Well, this was total shock, because that sounds like major surgery to me. So I had an MRI, and the MRI was very conclusive that yes, I needed a hip replacement, no doubt, sooner rather than later. My pain was not extreme. I would say on a scale of 10, maybe a 4, maybe a 5 if I hit it just wrong, but it was enough that I couldn't do what I wanted to do. I'm not an athlete, but I love to play pickleball, I'll ski, I'll water ski, I'll get on a paddleboard, and I just was finding that I couldn't do those things. I'm a semi-retired person. I fly airplanes for a living, and you need 2 good hips to do that. One of the things that the Greater family does every year is kind of the grandkids ski trip, and everybody looks forward to this. I was kind of pleased with my skiing the first part of the day, and that did not last for long. By the end of the day, I could hardly walk from one side of the room to the other.
Michael knew it was time to fix his pain. He turned to the team at Trinity Health.
The day of the surgery, I think I was actually looking forward to having it done. I was comfortable with the medical team. So I'll tell you, laying there, I'm kind of going, oh boy, when is this going to happen? And then you realize the surgery's over. And they always ask you, what's your pain level? And I did not report in this whole process anything greater than a 3. Within maybe 4 days, I was off the walker and just to the cane. And I would say now at the 3-month point, there's not much that I feel like I can't do because of the hip. Got a fun yard to work in. I'm mowing now. We got a steep hill. It was interesting trying to go up the hill with the mower, but now it's up and down, good to go. I have nothing but recommendations for the whole staff. Communication was great.
With the summer season coming to an end, Michael was determined to get one trip around the lake on his new hip.
I'm going to get back on the water skis, and I'm probably going to do 1 loop instead of 3 loops, but hey, we'll see how it goes. Pretty cool with a new hip at 70 years old almost to be able to think about doing that.
With a successful water ski under his belt, winter was around the corner, and
Grandpa Ski School is back in business.